We're excited to announce the Digital Network Collective, your Women Helping Women to Network Digital Dream Team. First, we have the Houston Small Business Expo, July 12th, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Houston Business Lounge. Space is limited. Register now at digitalnetworkcollective.com. Don't miss this if you have a small business and are not as savvy about business systems, marketing relevant to your business, and website considerations such as branding, SEO, funnels, landing pages, lead capture forms, security, and how to turn your website into a lead generation tool. We will have a catered lunch by Kaylin's Catering and Events. You don't want to miss this. It's going to be very awesome. And we're having Video Mojo to video the entire presentation. He will be providing 10-minute slots for each of you to do your elevator pitch and end up with a 3-minute edited video to use on your website and any marketing that you want. All you need is access to your website and a genuine desire to make money, as we'll be picking out audience members to show you how you can do that. First, we have Carol Mickle, CM Consulting and Management. Her analysis will include website evaluation from branding and functionality to SEO, security, and message, and social media evaluation and ad creation. Next, we have Leah Torbert, Harrington Strategic Partners. Her analysis includes business systems evaluation, accounting and finance overview, and any training recommendations that you might need. Last, we have Dawn Casera with Think Large Consulting. The analysis there includes an online reputation report, then lead generation tactics for your business, CRM, email marketing evaluation, and funnel creation and ad management. So, let's get to the good part. Let's increase your income. And you'll do this by attending either one of our workshops or signing up on the website, that's digitalnetworkcollective.com, for an evaluation from all 3 of the Digital Network Collective members. Now, that's it. Let's go forth and be successful.